Hello everyone, this is Mira from TAICO. Today I'm going to show you unboxing and review our TAICO's PortablePowerStation 2.0. This is part of our TKPW series, which includes 1 kWh and 2 kWh models. This one is 2 kWh. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. This is user menu and we only have warranty card inside. And this is MV4 solar connection cable for solar chargers. This is power cable, connects to 220 voltage grid supply for charging. This is 1 kWh portable power station and this is 2 kWh portable power station. These are very perfect for our use, or you can just act as a simple home energy storage battery. The key advantages of this type of battery includes, first of all, it supports many multiple safety protections such as over-discharge, over-current, overload, short circuit, and fault protection. Second, it has a high capacity load. For example, it supports up to 1000 watt output. This type of battery supports two charging options. First charging options is PV charging. The second charging option is grid supply charging. We also support 500 watt output. This is the label of our batteries. Now let me show you guys how to use it. We long press AC button and you can see now the battery is power on. So now let's use battery to charge my mobile phones. And then we connect battery with air purifier. Now I turn on the air purifier. Now I'll show you how to charge battery using grid supply. Press and hold the DC button to switch to charging mode.